If your body feels like taking a walk or dancing or punching pillows or jumping up and down and giggling, allow your body to do that without needing to feel like you're producing any results. No calories burnt, no counting steps. Don't turn on your Apple Watch while you're playing pickle to see how many calories you're burning. Get rid of the watch, okay? Get rid of the watch in yoga. Get rid of the watch on the pickle court. Just play. Just play the game. Go to the class. Unplug. Like, what are we doing? Like, we're tracking everything. Ask yourself, is that putting you in joy or is that putting you in a deficit? Are you experiencing these things where you track everything on your watch, whatever it is, with joy? Or are you too rigid and making yourself nuts because you're feeling like you need to be productive in order to allow yourself to experience joy, right? Reminder, joy is your birthright. You don't have to apologize for going after it, period.